Hey guys, welcome back to Easy Internet, and in today's video we are going to look on how to post on Lemon8. First, open up your Lemon8 account, then tap here on the plus icon. Select the media you want to post. For example, I want to upload these two car images, so I'll select both of these and tap on Next. From here you can edit your posts like add text, you can also choose the video effect you want. And all these stickers or effects. Once you are done, then tap on Next. Here you can add a caption to your post, and like other social media apps, you can tag people and places, etc. Once you are done, tap on Post to post your content. I hope this video has helped you. Do like, share and subscribe to Easy Internet for more such videos. Thanks for watching.